Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to make a delicious salty catfish with onion and red bell peppers. We are going to start by washing the salty catfish 2 to 3 times with fresh water. Then, in a pot with water, we will boil it 2 to 3 times until the salt is removed according to your taste. In my case, I like to completely remove the salt and I can handle the salt later. But you decide, okay? And don't worry, all ingredients will be in my description box. But I will show you right now. We are gonna need 2 tablespoons of butter or cooking oil, garlic, 1 medium white or purple onion, red bell peppers, but you can use the green, orange, or yellow one. We will also need tomato sauce with whole tomatoes without skin, but you can make your own tomato sauce at home or buy it at the supermarket in can or jar. In a pot, I will add the butter and a little bit of cooking oil until the butter is melted, and I will add the garlic, onion, and red bell peppers. Stir for a few minutes and add the tomato sauce. And finally, the catfish. I like to cut into small pieces the catfish. This is according to your taste, okay? If you want to leave the entire fillets. And I will also add the fresh ground pepper. Now I'm gonna taste the salt. For me, it's perfect. Cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the onions and red bell peppers are cooked. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It's perfect. Guys, this recipe is delicious and smells so good. You will love it. And you can serve it with white rice or cooked potatoes. And now we are going to serve. Guys, this is the final result. I hope you like my recipe. Please subscribe if you are new here. I have new recipes every week. Please thumbs up and follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my Codon de Tuliar, my partner in crime every Wednesdays in my recipes, but she has home videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye-bye.